So we got all the interior back in here. Got to swap out the steering wheel left, but everything is nice and bolted up neat. Back how it was. Got the back seats in. Super clean. Gotta get some grease for that noise. It's irritating. Little parts left. But everything is nice and bolted. Looks clean. Smells better. Just gotta get the rest of this engine, harness, AC components, fuse box. Got the intake. That's really pretty much it. Transmission is still good, so we should be good to go. Oil pan off a TBS, and also engine and trans harness off of a 6.0 that a guy had. He said he got off Craigslist from someone who crashed one. My main concern is not receiving any stolen parts. I'm trying to get everything original right off a 6.0 from a Trailblazer. So this is good. We got the index tray, pickup tube, a little bit of dirty oil in there. We got everything. That's the main thing. Now I got it all out. Got kind of a heads up. We got the battery posts, the ground and the hot. And then I know this goes near the, these connect to the other harness from the inside. Got the computer, both of those. Not sure what that is. Look like some fuel injectors, temperature sensors. Got an O2 sensor, transmission port, some more O2 sensors. This is for the speedometer. Got everything there. Get the 99-cent store for about like $1. Use this to clean all this up. All this up. Not dry, but soak in. Oh, this dirt is black. This shit looks sick. Okay, so I'm going to remove this oil filter just because as I'm cleaning it, water is going to just get in and extend the little oil that's left. So I'm going to just get that up out of there. Beautiful, clean stuff. So now the way I see it, it's officially ready to go inside the car. I'm not putting any dirty, oily parts in this truck. I hate that shit. Got it all clean in and out. Pretty heavy. We're all done. A lot more cleaner. Straight. Get that motor out. So, got a little bit of the top engine stuff off. Fresh alternator. This car has a lot of miles, you can see. Gunked up and just filthy. Let's get this thing out. Front accessories, top. Almost out. Majority of everything off. Everything off, ready to pull out. 4x4. Yeah. So this is the next day. It's the motor we got out. 6.0 LQ4. A little O2 Denali. Damn, swabs. Very filthy. Very, very filthy. I cannot wait to clean this. 317 heads. Just left from Harbor Freight. Picking up a new engine stand for this motor. This bad boy going. Got some space now. This is all I'm working with, but hey, it's better than nothing. It's time to get this stand together. Got the engine on there. And get ready. Got the engine stand, wheels, fresh bolts, fresh hardware. So we got this engine stand together now. It's nice. Came out cool, so time to get that on there. So I got the engine on the engine stand. Got the hoist. Yeah, see my little space I'm dealing with. Bear with me. But we on the road. Make sure we change everything. It's filthy. Let you see what it is. 6.0. Now we're pretty much going to drain the oil. Let all the oil come out. Go from there. There goes nothing. It's all coming out. It's very dirty, but I love it. Can't wait to clean it. I have that one over there because I was taking off these lines and began to drip.